you think of the oat shake?
So good.
Hey guys, I'm Nina. And I'm Randa. Today's video is a what I eat in a day, even lazier than usual. We already eat super lazy, but this is literally how we eat every single day. You know what? It's actually efficient. It's not lazy. It's efficient. Yes, true. And we're also showing you how to make these amazing healthy muffins. So stay till the end. Super easy. So stay till the end. If you guys want more recipes, we have a book out called The Clear Skin Diet with over 60 recipes. We used to have really bad acne and it gave us really low self-esteem. We were able to clear it by changing our diet. But our book isn't just good for clearing your skin, it's also just really tasty recipes that make you feel good and are filling. So if you want to check out our book, we'll leave it linked down below. Let's get back to the video. Right now we are on our way to the gym. Nina, what do you think we are gonna do today? We're gonna do some biking. I think we're gonna do some booty. Yeah. We might be running a half marathon on Sunday. We haven't decided if we really want to do it yet, but maybe. If so, we have to start tapering. Finishing up with a stretch. So we are back from the gym and we went swimming, but right now I just had a taco. We're each having two. I'll show you guys how to make it. This is like ultimate lazy. I got these tortillas from Whole Foods. Pinto beans with rice and orange sweet potato with spinach, and we're gonna put it on these taco shells that are made out of corn. They're soft. Sauerkraut and salt in this. We had some questions sent in from you guys from Instagram, so we're gonna answer a few of them. Nina's taking a bathroom break, so I'm gonna answer some questions. What do you eat to put on the lean muscle that you have? First of all, thanks, that's a nice compliment. And also working out, well, number one is definitely diet, and we say that all the time. And if you want to know our diet, well, I'll link some videos in the description, or you can check out our book, Clear Skin Diet. That's a definite way to be lean, be healthy, be fit, but also working out and lifting weights actually, I feel like helps build muscle, and doing high intensity interval training. And again, we'll link some of those videos if you guys want to see our weekly workout routine and all that stuff. Would you ever have an open relationship? Hell no. No way. I would just be like, let's just not be in a relationship. Different things work for different people, but I could never be in an open relationship. And if my boyfriend was to want to be in an open relationship, I'd be like, have fun with that. Deuce. How did you approach Trevor, or how did he approach you when you first met? Okay, if you've seen the videos, you know that Trevor and I met from Bumble, and I'll actually link in the description like our first date, exactly how we met and all that fun stuff. But I asked him to hang out on Bumble, and when we met, I saw him, we decided to meet up at Sun Life Cafe, and as he was walking to Sun Life, I knew, like, when I saw him from the back, I was like, okay, like, he looks normal, you know, like, you can tell from people's body language if they're gonna be weird, if you're gonna like them. And so yeah, I just went up to him and I was like, hey, I'm Randa, and he's like, oh, hey, I'm Trevor. And yeah, so we just decided to meet up at a public place, and that's kind of how we met. And then I ordered a drink and he paid, so I was like, oh, he thinks I'm cute. Not that that really is what, just because they pay doesn't mean they think you're cute, but yeah. I thought, okay, I think he thinks I'm cute, I think he's cute. Nina and I are now on our way to yoga, and we asked hot yoga. This person asked, how are you so positive and happy? Sending love. Well, sending love back to you. Like 85% of the time we are positive, happy, upbeat, let's go here, let's do something fun. And then, you know, there's that 15% that you get down about things. And I think when we get into like a negative space, we just go and do something that makes us feel good. Like right now we're going to yoga class, or we'll go on a run. We want a 4-mile run. This is actually a question that Randa asked me like 2 hours ago, and I was like it just felt so not good and not myself. Now I feel great. So yeah, I had asked Nina this questions earlier, and she was in a, you know, not in the best mood and didn't want to answer it. So now, you know, you just gotta wait it out. And to be honest, no, we're not 100% positive all the time. We're human, and if you think anyone's positive all the time, it's not true. It's not possible. It's just a matter of like when you're in that down mood to be like, okay, well, what's gonna make me feel better, and taking action. It's making an active choice to be like, what's gonna make me feel better, and then maybe you'll feel more positive. But I think hanging out with friends, working out, those are great ways to be positive.
A nice meal.
Yeah, a good meal. Showing you guys how to make some really easy, this fits in with the lazy theme, sweet potato muffins. Boom, you can eat them for breakfast, you can eat them for a snack, and it's healthy. And it's good for Halloween, good for Thanksgiving, the holidays, and they're super good. So really easy to make, let's get to it. Do it. First ingredient, we have 2 cups of sweet potatoes. This is the yams, the orange ones, but you can also use the Japanese sweet potatoes, and when you use the Japanese, it's even sweeter, but these are really good. So we just baked these up in the oven, and I took off the skin. Yes, and now we're gonna add a banana to the mix and mash that in there. And boom, mash away. It looks like baby food. Next, we're gonna take our food processor and blend up 2 cups of uncooked oats. So you can see that it's all blended almost like a powder, and now we're gonna add in like our flour. Sweet potato. Got the sweet potato and mashed banana. This is 1 teaspoon cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and I'm gonna add that into our mix as well. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You could also use vanilla powder. Blend it. Got our mix, and now I'm gonna add it to this big bowl. Our final step is we're adding 1 cup of frozen blueberries, or you could use normal blueberries, to the mix. We're just gonna mix it. Oh wow, it's gonna make the color really cool. We're gonna add our mix into the silicone baking tray. Now keep in mind, these don't actually rise, so you're gonna make them a little bit bigger than you would think. We got an ice cream scooper to get the perfect amount. Honestly, you wouldn't even need to bake them. You could just eat it like this. Preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We've got 9 muffins in the mix. We're gonna bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. How is it? It tastes like banana bread. I think we could let it cook a little longer. I kind of like it gooey. It's good. It tastes like a pancake. So these muffins came out so amazing. Really tasty. The thing about eating healthy is a lot of people, I feel like, lose the health kick when they have unhealthy snacks around them. So it really helps if you have a healthy snack. Instead of going for the junk meal prep, it's super easy. If there's any specific type of recipes that you guys want us to make, like a healthy version, let us know in the comments, because anything can be made tasty and healthy. And don't forget to check out our book if you want more recipes. Check out our other videos linked in the description. And thanks for watching. Bye!